Quick video today on replacing these the side markers. The side markers for turn signals. I'm swap them out with some smoke sequential amber lights. Just the same thing, but it's just not one plain amber light blinking clear. That's how it looks. I guess it's pretty easy. You push it back and then it pops up. Just got the connector right there, and then this little thing which has it's missing the little piece of metal right there, and then that's where it hooks up. But for this one, for me, for some strange reason, it's like way wider. So for these, I gotta trim these little ears off just a little bit, and then it'll fit perfect. So yeah, pretty nice. Give you a quick look. Oh yeah. Yep, that's how they look. Not bad. Gives it a little extra, little difference from the rest. Yeah, that's how it looks. Like I said, that's clear ones right there, and then boom, you got the smoke sequential. Well, yep, that's how you do it. Like I say, for some reason mine, I gotta trim them a little bit, but it's not that hard. Oh, hope you enjoyed the video. Alright.